There it goes. It's flying. It's flying, Era. It's flying. It's flying. I'm gonna go faster so it's flying.
Kat, you're gonna be on YouTube.
What?
You're gonna be on YouTube.
In a picture?
Oh yeah, it's
Is
gonna.
it like a panoramic?
Yeah, I'm gonna upload it to YouTube later. You know, I
Right,
just,
so nice
Put
speaker.
the speaker on.
This, please.
these are gonna be so fun, like 10 years, just to walk around with. Because Taylor does it too and goes, oh, why did act like that? We have some good videos of her, man.
Where the heck's the
I
other
don't
one?
want to be on
Oh,
social
found it.
media.
We have one of her playing an Xbox game. It was an absolute classic. It was so ridiculous.
This is Mix FM. For some things, old fashioned is nice. Like hard paper books.
No, I don't want to be on social media.
Dentistry. Old style dentures used to be one of
I get the consent.
You have two heads.
I don't
You. Look at my eyes.
Yep.
You know why I said you have two heads.
a
Keegan.
little bit of chicken fried.
Keegan. What's up, buddy? Russ.
Oh, that is double.
I don't care.
Ha!
Oh, double. You know when you close your eyes, you can still see. No, like.
It's gonna be a good night, Fred. You gonna rate those videos tonight? You gonna rate them fireworks?
Spotify working just fine.
It's not a fireworks display.
It's
It's not a firework display unless you rate them, though, right?
That's right. You remember that.
That's right. Yeah. You Sam, I'll remember your rating system. Plus, I got a video right here.
Now when
Right?
I like I squint and close, and then I can see it like that. Like I get that.
Taylor.
Because can you at least do this?
Trace got the serious look. Anything get robbed today, Trace?
Pardon?
Any stores
You
get
can
robbed
do the-
today?
I'm on PTO, so I haven't paid attention. I don't think so.
Independence Day
You're
sales,
not
right?
playing like.
What?
You got any Independence Day sales
I
going
can't
on?
hear you.
Taylor and Brennan on this one. Tony's out there somewhere.
I feel like maybe we need to take it.
If you have a full set.
I can't hear you.
I think maybe we should get the boat aligned. Like maybe the
No, I
line
was getting closer to Joey, and then Tim came back over being an idiot, so I drove away from him. Tim is not driving. Tim is going to get a ticket.
Like today though, when I was driving, I would let go of the wheel for like 1 second, and it goes. Like you can't, it doesn't stay straight. I was just joking. I don't think you can align a boat. Like I don't, maybe you can.
There's a certain speed. Like right here, I can keep it straight. Any faster, no. Any slower, no.
How far out there is
Way
Tony?
faster,
Where'd he?
very easy.
He feel the need to
Yeah,
pick the
it's weird. I
spot?
don't understand why. I mean, I feel like if the engine's pointing it straight, what does it just catch too much air and it?